what's up? I hope everyone's doing well. So for today, Aquarius, gagawin natin ang reading for the month of August 2025. Tingnan lang natin ang mga ganap sa buhay nyo. For the month of August 2025, please take note lang, Aquarius, that this reading is a general reading only and may or may not resonate. Only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future, okay? So here are your oracle cards that you may expect, situations that you may expect for the month of August. Yan na to. So, Bell, Bear, Kirby, one more. Same as you guys. Aquarius, please. And Cup. Okay. So, Aquarius. We've got here Fly. Let's take a look at the oracle cards. Fly, a period of ill health or depression. So some of you guys may fall out into the period of depression, ganyan, no, nalulungkot, or maybe someone else is not directly connected sa inyo is makaka-experience nun. But we're talking about you, so maaaring kayo po ito. So, ingatan natin ang ating kalusugan, guys. So, maaaring from pagiging happy-happy ay maka-experience na kayo ng period of ill health or depression. Magtatanong kayo bakit, mga ganyan. And, yeah, imbalance yan, no? Imbalance. Next is we have your Dagger. Fear, worries, tense situation. So, baka magkaroon kayo ng mga situation na medyo may ipit kayo, medyo uneasy, medyo parang may mga takot kayo, tsaka pag-aalala about certain situation na hindi kayo magiging okay or hindi kayo okay, mga ganyan. Then we've got your wishbone, a wish is granted, so this is a good one. Okay to. There will just be a wish daw na mag-grant for you, Aquarius, okay? Then we got here Bell, announcement. So, maaaring ikaw to mag-announce or makakakuha ka ng announcement from someone, maybe about work, maybe about family, something about your stability, mag-a-announce ka or someone else towards you. Then we've got here Bear, danger, especially in money matters. So, mag-ingat daw po tayo sa ating mga dealings, Aquarius, no? Kasi baka magkaroon tayo ng problema sa ating kaperahan. So, mag-ingat tayo sa kung sino yung, kanino tayo nag-i-invest, kanino tayo nag-open up about our finances, ganyan. Kanino tayo nagtitiwala when it comes to pera, okay? Then, we've got your Cup. You should accept valid criticism. So, yeah, maybe may mga taong nakikriticize sa inyo, Aquarius, and parang nagtataka ka, bakit sila ganon, ganyan. Parang feeling mo siguro parang dinadown ka nila or parang wala silang good intention. Sabi dito naman is you should accept valid criticism. So if you feel like they have a point, maybe try to reassess and maybe it's time to accept, no? If it's just a valid criticism lang pala and not meant to destroy you. Okay, so let's move on to your main tarot reading. Let's go ahead and check kung kamusta ba si Aquarius. Aquarius for the month of August when it comes to overall love life, career, finances, health, health, family matters, situation with other people, and advice, okay, or overall outcome. So, for the month of August, your overall, Aquarius, is the Knight of Pentacles. Sabi here, take a methodical approach and you'll achieve your dreams. May nakikita ako dito parang pagpupos or parang hindi naman stagnant, pero parang pag-hold back a little bit ng energy mo. Maybe towards other people, maybe investing to other things. Nakita lang ako na pag-hold back, okay? Or parang kawalan ng tiwala. Sa buwan ng, sa larangan ng pag-ibig, we have here 8 of Swords. So may bagay kang hindi sigurado. When it comes to pag-ibig, Aquarius, maybe hindi ka sigurado sa intention ng person mo, or hindi ka sigurado kung worth it bang pag-investan tong person mo, kung katiwa-tiwala ba tong person mo, mga ganon. Then, sa larangan ng career, we've got your Justice card. So, maaaring you need to take care when it comes to your career as well. Nakikita ko dito, Aquarius, kasi baka magkaroon ng point in time na maaaring mag-isa ka about something. You are also being asked to commit with your job diligently. Okay? Let me see. Clarify pa naman natin itong mga cards na to, guys, mamaya, no? You're being asked to let go of something and commit to a job fully, but you're gonna be asked na parang act diligently when it comes to your work. Okay, you have to do the right thing. Ng finances, you have here the Queen of Wands. So, maaaring magkaroon ka ng untrustworthy person. Yan siguro yung kanina, beware or be careful about money matters. Kasi it might be a risk. Nakakita ko dito ng isang tao na maybe mag-cause ng imbalance or pagkabagsak ng iyong finances if hindi ka mag-iingat. You have to know the person's intention first. Sabi dito, what are their intentions? Maybe in it's either asking you something or offering you something, or yung totoong intention nila about your pera. Ganun. Then, sa larangan ng health, we've got your Judgment card. Maaring meron kang gawin na dati mong ginagawa, Aquarius, na gawin mo ulit for the month of August. May it be a routine, may it be a healthy habit, may it be losing weight. Basta dati mong ginagawa na ibabalik mo. Sa larangan ng relationship with other people, 7 of Swords. So, maaring nakita rin ako dito ng kawalan ng tiwala. With family members, maybe you don't trust other people. Your family members, may pagkakataon na nagtatago ka sa kanila ng something. Sa situation mo naman with other people, got here the Strength. Parang nakikita ko dito na hindi mo maintindihan yung ibang tao about towards you. Maybe their treatment towards you. May hindi ka maintindihan in a way na hindi naman sa hindi nyo sila mapakisamahan ng maayos. But merong parang kailagan ako nakikita, okay? And then for the overall outcome or advice, you have your Two of Cups. You're being advised to open your heart and receive love from others. So open your heart. Maybe your heart chakra is closed. Kaya hindi ka makaramdam ng affection is what I think, or sincerity from other people. Maybe you need to heal your heart chakra. Okay, so let's start clarifying. What is this Knight of Pentacles as the overall energy for Aquarius? What is this Knight of Pentacles? You got your Three of Pentacles. So, I think Three of Pentacles talks about parang collaborating with other people, collaboration with other people. So, maybe I think may i-reassess ka when it comes to collaborating with other people. Maybe magdadaan-daan ka, ganon. It's like you will try to assess their sincerity first before you engage totally with other people in the month of August. Like, parang kung tingin mo hindi mo sila magiging kakampi or hindi mo sila magiging kagoods, then you're gonna be letting them go. What is the Eight of Swords for the love life of Aquarius? Your Hierophant. So, you may have a person na you are kind of like, meron kayong deep or traditional commitment. What about this? Ten of Swords, maybe you're feeling betrayed or backstab, maaaring may mga worries ka about the relationship. niloloko ka or basta may mga worries ka as to ano ba talaga ang totoo sa tao mo. Are they sincere about you? Meron bang iba? Mga ganun ako nakikita na. What is the justice card for career? Aquarius, you've got here the Page of Wands. So, maring you will be starting something. Ask here to like, maybe you will do something creative this time. Something will spark your interest. Parang gusto mo siyang gawin. Let me see, what is the Page of Wands for Aquarius? Ang card to? Justice card. What is the Page of Wands with the Justice cards for Aquarius? You got your Six of Cups. So this could be related to children. Or maaring merong something about nostalgic memories. Maaring may ginagawa ka before na gusto mo ulit gawin. For your career, you may want to revive something that you're doing in the past when it comes to your career. Or you just miss the old times when it comes to your career. What is the Queen of Wands for finances? You got there the High Priestess and the Seven of Cups. So, parang marirealize mo na meron kang hindi dapat na pagkatiwalaan na tao when it comes to your finances. Okay, parang ma-assess mo naman na itong tao na to hindi to dapat pagbigyan ng pera. Itong tao na to hindi to dapat pagkatiwalaan ng pera kasi ako ang masisira, ako ang malulugi, and hindi siya karapat dapat kasi baka ako saan lang nadalhin, mga ganun. Then, for your health, you've got here the Judgment card. I told you na baka may isa kayong routine na ginagawa noon na ibalik nyo ulit or buhayin nyo ulit. You've got here the Empress card and the Two of Cups. So, parang feeling ko magpapaganda kayo ng sarili nyo, magpapaayos kayo ng katawan nyo, ganyan. So, magko-commit lang kayo in order for yourself to like parang maging healthy, okay? Committing yourself to become more healthier or healthier. And nakikita ko dito na parang more about pagpapaganda ng katawan, pag-aayos ng sarili, pag-improve ng lifestyle, pag-improve ng overall mood. Basta anything that's beneficial for your health, okay? What is the Seven of Swords for the family matters? Aquarius, thank you so much. You got your Eight of Pentacles. Parang meron kang ayaw ka-collaborate sa family mo. Can you tell me more something about it? Just one more card. Okay, two cards. Strength card and the King of Wands. So maybe meron kang isang kinaiiritahang tao sa pamilya mo. Aquarius, maybe a father figure ito or someone na mayabang, mayayabangan ka. Someone na parang masyadong show off. Ayaw mo siyang ka-collaborate, okay? Maybe ilag ka sa kanya, ayaw mo makisama sa kanya, ayaw niya makisama sa'yo. Parang feeling mo fake yung intentions niya, ganun. Ayun. Then what we got here is a strength card for relationship with other people. You got your Seven of Wands. So, maaaring there will come a time in August na parang you have to defend yourself. Feeling mo you have to defend yourself. Feeling mo you have to speak up your own word. Parang ano yan, makapag yung magbabattle kayo ng mga salita. Kasi parang you feel that you're not on the same page with other people and you have to defend yourself from something. Okay, maybe you feel na hindi ka nila gusto and parang may sarili ka opinion and you won't settle. Parang ganun. Then, kung ayaw nila, they won't. Parang ganun. I have my own self naman. Parang ganun ang pig. Nakikita ko for the month of August. Then we've got here, as the overall advice is open your heart and receive love from others. What is this? You have here Four of Pentacles. So, stop being closed off daw, no? Aquarius, try to open up more with other people. Try to accept what they're saying, try not to be so hard on others, and try na kilalanin mo sila, malay mo may maganda naman daw silang benefits sa'yo. Let's see what you have, area you have to work on. So, patapos na tayo, guys. What areas do you need to work on? Aquarius for the month of August. Anong nila i-work on? You got your leadership. Okay. Makes me feel na this is about your aura and how you say, how you speak yourself for yourself, how you talk to other people. Maybe if you're not a natural leader of something, maybe you're coming off as something too aggressive, ganyan. Maybe lang naman. You're being advised to reassess kung paano ka makipag-usap or how to deal with other people, especially if you're coming out as someone who has a strong personality. Okay, baguhin daw yun. And lastly, advice card from our Monology deck. Aquarius for the month of August. You got your practice gratitude. Say thank you to over little say thank you daw, guys, no? Be thankful, practice gratitude, be grateful about the littlest thing that you receive, because that's from universe, and especially support na nanggagaling sa ibang sources, siguro hindi nyo alam kung saan nanggagaling, may mga bantay, may mga guardians daw kayo, and yeah, just learn how to be thankful and grateful for everything that you receive. And yeah, universe will reward you more. Okay, tough times are behind na daw soon. So yeah, just be grateful. I think things will end or shift eventually. Okay. Alright, so that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you so much, Aquarius. You have a good one. Bye!